The sum goes as Ramu, Somu, Gopu are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:5:7. Gopu retires and the share is purchased by Ramu and Somu in the ratio of 3:1. We have to find the new profit sharing ratio and the gaining ratio. So first let's take and write whatever they have given. So this sum is a partial gain, that is Ramu and Somu are going to gain in the ratio 3:1. So first I've written out the old ratio and the old share. So the old ratio and the old share is going to be 3/15 for Ramu and 5/15 for Somu and 7/15 for Gopu, and Gopu is a retiring partner. So his share of 7/15 is going to be taken up by Ramu and Somu in the proportion of 3:1. So it is called as the share gained by Ramu and Somu. Next, what we have to do to find the gaining ratio is we are going to multiply the retired partner's share with the share, the proportion of the share that they have gained. So gaining ratio is equal to retired partner's share into share gain. So for Ramu it's going to be 7/15 Gopu's share into 3/4 the share he has gained. And for Somu it's 7/15 into 1/4. So simple, we have to just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So when we multiply, we get 21/60 is to 7/60, which is the gaining ratio. So when we write, this is a share. So when we write it as a ratio, take only the numerator and write it. So the gaining ratio will be 21:7. So now when there is a possibility to simplify the ratio, we have to simplify it. So both 21 and 7 are divisible in 7 tables. So I'm going to divide it in 7 tables, simplify it and write it. So I can write it as 3:1. That is 21 divided by 7 and 7 divided by 7 is 3:1. So this is the gaining ratio in our problem. Next we are going to find is the new ratio. So the formula for the new ratio is old ratio plus the gaining ratio. So gaining ratio, we are going to take 21/60, the share value, the fraction we are going to take. So the new ratio for Ramu is going to be the old ratio of Ramu, that is 3/15 plus the gaining ratio, which is 21/60. And for Somu, if we take 5/15, the old share plus the gain 7/60. So here if you see, the LCM is going to be 60 because 15 fours are is also 60. So I'm going to bring the 3/15 denominator as 60. So what I'm going to do is 3/15 I'm going to multiply and divide with the same number, that is 4/4. So I get 3 into 4/15 into 4, which makes the denominator as 60. Likewise this side 21 into 1 and 60 into 1, which is likely to be 60 again. The same I've done it for Somu also, that is 5 into 4/15 into 4 and plus 7 into 1/60 into 1. This is a simple LCM process only which we are doing. When we multiply 3 into 4 12, 15 into 4 60 plus 21/60. Our main motive is to bring the denominator to the same. That's when the LCM goes easy. So 5 into 4 20/60 plus 7/60. Now 60 is a common denominator, so we are straightly going to add it up. 12 plus 21, I get 33/60, and 20 plus 7, I get 27/60. So when I take and write the new ratio, I have to write the numerator alone, that is the fraction, the top part. So 33:27 is going to be my new ratio. If there is a possibility to simplify it, we are going to simplify it. So 33 and 27 is divisible in a 3 time tables. Therefore 33 divided by 3 is 11 times and 27 divided by 3 is 9 times. So the new ratio is going to be 11:9.